Hi everyone, I'm Serge from Edge Motors. This is just a short video on one of the Audi's 3.0 supercharged engine. Weird noise we found and decided to post it up. So this engine is out of a 2013 Audi A6. It has around 105,000 miles. The car came in with a strange noise, not very loud. You could only hear it if you're standing in front of the car. It was sounded like a timing chain related noise, but it was more of a knock than a noise, to be honest. So we'll pull the oil pan off on a couple of pieces of the timing chain guides in there, but nothing crazy, just small pieces. We decided to pull the upper timing chain covers off. Found one of the guides was missing a little piece of it right over here. That would make that noise. So we decided to pull the engine out and check the rest of the timing chain. We pulled that out. We found a couple of more pieces of the guides broken off. See over here, over here. But that wouldn't make the noise either. So we're kinda stuck. We spun the engine several times. Didn't really see anything. And then we found a problem. One of these little timing chain guide pieces right over here got stuck in the gear. And when the engine is running, this tensioner over here jump back and forth, making noise. Why would you put so much plastic in the back of the motor?